Penina, good evening.
Good evening.
Oh, good evening.
Why, good evening.
And you're just a little bit taller than me. A little bit
Sorry,
short.
JD. It's very easy.
That's okay. Girls, I was going to wear heels tonight, but it wouldn't have worked.
I'm not in the 70s anymore.
Thank you so much. And Penina, during your preparations leading up to the Miss Samoa New Zealand pageant, what has been one of your big highlights?
One of the biggest highlights was probably meeting my sisters, my newfound sisters. That's probably the biggest highlight. I love family.
Thank you, you're a doll. Miss Penina, don't lean over. Don't be down. I'll break it. Hey, little man. Hello. If funding is approved for you to build an initiative that assists our young Samoan women, what would it be? Let me repeat that question. If funding is approved for you to build an initiative that assists our young Samoan women, what would it be?
The initiative that I would build for our young Samoan women would probably be career development. Traditionally, we seek jobs, not careers. And I think careers are very important, especially for our Samoan women. We're quite strong, physically and mentally. But say lover.
Flowing from the top of the Penina, making its way down the center and wrapping around to the front of the lava are individually handcrafted flowers. These are weaved from the pods of the coconut plant that shower over the top of the palm tree. You'll see on Penina's Kintasi that it stands on the bottom of the lava to symbolize that whoever plants a coconut tree plants a vessel, clothing, food and drink, a habitation for himself and a heritage for his children. If you could count the stars, then you could count all the ways the coconut serves us. You are looking at your contestant number 3, Penina Marie Paeu.
Bring up contestant number 4, Alana Tyrell. Alana. Hi. Tell me something, Alana. Tell us a little bit about the community service you did, like I say, you did a lovely care home in Manukau recently.
It was really good to just get involved with the community and just go out there and communicate with our Samoan people and just to let them know that we're here and we're just enjoying being proud of who we are, Samoan people.
That was fantastic. Okay, what I want you to do Because my mic isn't working, just go behind me and grab yourself a card from the Samoa. It's getting a bit embarrassing. G'day, Alana. I want to ask you this question. And it says, this year we celebrate Samoa's 50th independence anniversary. What do you consider to be Samoa's greatest achievement as a nation, and why? Wow, that's a big question. This year we celebrate Samoa's 50th independence anniversary. What do you consider to be Samoa's greatest achievement as a nation, and why?
I would have to say, I believe Samoa's greatest achievement would be gaining our independence in 1962. I think it's very unique that our culture is like, we're one of the only countries that has maintained our tradition, our cultural values, and it's beautiful to know that we're such a strong country and we're so proud of ourselves and that we've got strong roots. Got to say like that.
Alana is beautifully introduced. Alana unwraps the overshadowing shape. As morning is gone, remaining what is left. White, the purity of a Samoan summertime. Simple, elegant, and elegantly simple. You are looking